It is the end of the year. Well, it's the 18th of December, which is pretty much the end of the year. In this video, I will be giving 2 Bratz dolls a little makeover. I also want to reflect on my first year on YouTube. It feels as if I uploaded my first video yesterday. So, prior to posting my first video, I gave myself a target. By the end of the year 2018, I wanted 200 subscribers and 10,000 channel views. I also hope to post every single week. So, how did I do? Well, I have more than 500 subscribers, and words can't express my joy and shock. 500 may not be much to many, but it is way more than I was expecting. I would like to thank everyone who has subscribed to this channel. You are all amazing and appreciated. In regard to my channel views, I smashed my target of 10,000 views. I have more than 34,000 views. That is insane. I am genuinely surprised by this as I failed to upload weekly. Yes, I failed one of my targets. The year 2018 saw me upload 6 times. Yes, 6 times if you don't include this video. It's a pitiful amount, but I do work and I honestly did not prioritise this channel. Sorry. So, what can you expect in 2019? Once again, I am aiming to upload weekly. I want to hit 500,000 channel views as well as 10,000 subscribers. Yes, I know it's a little far-fetched, but I need to aim high. Once again, I would like to thank everyone who has subscribed to my channel so far and liked my videos as well as shared them. I am so grateful and I look forward to delivering more content that you will enjoy as well as love. Thank you, and I'll shut up now so you can enjoy this video in peace.
dream,